Are you looking for tips on how to flirt and tease women? You've come to the right place. Flirting and teasing can be a great way to show someone you're interested in them and to have some fun. In this video, we'll go over some tips to help you flirt and tease in a fun and respectful way. In case you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do that now. Tip number 1 is to be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to flirting and teasing. It's important to believe in yourself and your abilities. This will help you approach women with ease and make them feel comfortable in your presence. Tip number 2 is to be a good listener. Nothing is more attractive than someone who is genuinely interested in what you have to say. So, when you're talking to a woman, make sure to listen to her and ask questions. This will show her that you care about what she has to say and that you're interested in getting to know her better. Tip number 3 is to use humor. Humor is a great tool when it comes to flirting and teasing. It can help break the ice and make the interaction more enjoyable for both of you. So, don't be afraid to make a joke or two, but make sure it's appropriate and not offensive. Tip number 4 is to use body language. Body language is a powerful tool when it comes to communication. Make sure to maintain eye contact, smile, and use open body language. This will help convey your interest and make the woman feel more comfortable around you. Tip number 5 is to be playful. Flirting and teasing should be fun and playful. Don't take yourself too seriously and don't be afraid to be a little silly. This will help create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere for both of you. Tip number 6 is to be respectful. It's important to remember that women are not objects to be used for your own pleasure. Treat them with respect and dignity. This will not only make them feel more comfortable around you, but it will also make you a better person. Tip number 7 is to be patient. Flirting and teasing are not things that happen overnight. It takes time and practice to become good at it. So, don't get discouraged if things don't go your way at first. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Tip number 8 is to be yourself. It's important to be authentic and true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress a woman. This will only lead to disappointment and frustration. In conclusion, flirting and teasing are great ways to create a playful and enjoyable atmosphere when you're with a woman. Remember to be confident, a good listener, use humor, body language, be playful, respectful, patient, and most importantly, be yourself. With practice and dedication, you'll become a master of flirting and teasing in no time. Thanks for watching and good luck out there. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos.